take a picture of that car?
Well, good morning. We're here at Gerry Cadillac here on Florida Boulevard in Baton Rouge, Louisiana with a classic Cajun car club. We got Raymond Baton here who's directing everything, showing everybody where to park. Raymond, looks like it's going to be a big show today, right?
It is. Pretty good.
We're looking forward to showing everybody the cars around here, so stick with us as we walk through. Don't look inside. This is personal collection, I guess, huh? What is this?
This is entrance.
This is just cars that come in and put them inside.
There's only 2 cars here that are Gerry like these.
Really?
The convertible 57 down there and the Chevelle right next to it.
Well, I'll be.
Those are the only 2 that come out of his personal collection. Looking at the car.
It's like a 54 Chevrolet right there. Those guys say $35,000 for a 69 Camaro. Let's have a peek over on the inside and look at it. Got a pretty clean motor in it. Look at that. Inside looks just a jam up. There's the number, 35,000. Man, that's a steal if I ever see one.
I want to show you that truck the other way, man.
On the inside up. You want a hot rod, that's where you get it. More and more of them. Everybody looking at cars, talking cars. Look at this one, seen this one before. Second gen Camaro. Right beside the first gen. It's 7 Ford, Fairlane 500. Pretty cool car. Fire protection system right there. There's a gate valve and a check valve. Well,
Yeah, 1, 2.
Band's getting all checked out. This is going to be Percy Slade singing here today at the car show. So, pretty big deal here in Baton Rouge. We do it every year. Don't see Percy nowhere. I'm sure he'll show up soon. This is a brand new Trans Am, I assume. Look at that. It's got the old shaker hood on top of it. Man, during the day I had a 78, had a 6.6 TA written on it. This is one fine automobile, let me tell you, man, I'd buy this. It's not practical, you know, unless you want a hot rod. And this looks like a sure enough hot rod right here, let me tell you. Let's take a peek down inside of it. Man, got a 24-speed Hurst shifter in it. Can you see that on the speedometer? Let's zoom in. That's right, 180 miles per hour. Better do it too. Got the bird on the hood like it did in the old day. Go around back here, see what we got. There's your slits and tail lights, kind of reminiscent of 66, 67 GTOs, I would say. One more peek at the front end and we'll quit filming this. Just had to see it. Yep, there it is. See that split in the front? That's reminiscent of Pontiac. They always put this V in the front end of their cars. So there you go. Everybody looking at it. A couple more views of some cars out there. Look at this, I don't know, 48? 48, what it is. Police car. Corvette, pickup truck, Model A's, all shined up, looking good. Signal 1 Corvette. Oh. Like orange pickup trucks. This is a 52 Chevrolet right here. non-stop. I can do a little hood work, got primed up. Hey, rust up looks pretty fine, doesn't it? I look over there in there.
I ain't really been noticing.
Ooh, look at that bed. Man, ain't that pretty.
No, I'm on the outside. Oh, it's too pretty.
That looks good.
Too pretty to be on the inside.
48 pickup truck. Talked to this young man that owns this one. He drives that one a lot. This has been one of my favorites right here. A 40 Ford, or I think that's 40, 41. Not real sure of that model year. 39, the guy says. There's 40 on his hood. Yeah, look at it. It's a Packard. Nope, it says it's a Dodge. Well, I would never guess. I know that's a Ford up there. Like blue cars? There's a blue one right here. I think it's a Chevrolet. Yep. Ford coupe. Ford Road right down through here. Don't be shy, I'll put you on TV.
I'm better behind the camera.
We're going to walk over here and check out this 62 Impala. It's one of our club cars. I heard Wayne, one of our members, bought this one here recently. It's a 62 Impala convertible. Yep, I knew it was convertible. It's kind of easy to recognize with a 409 in this bad boy. 409, 348s, they were all about the same at that time. Claimed it wouldn't stay together, but I think it did. They were a hot rod during the time. Look at that. Packed in there, isn't it? 57. Looks like we're about to pay rounds here, so. There you have it from Cajun Classic Car Club here at Gerry Chevrolet on Baton Rouge, Louisiana.